So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to bend this piece of rebar steel. Here I use this for twisting steel, flat steel, but I'm going to use this for bending today. So I have small piece. Put some pressure. And from here I can control the bending. Doesn't have to be perfect. This time I'll be beating it on my workbench just to ease the pressure on my hand. So this is it. Doesn't have to be perfect, just need to work. I'm gonna cut a piece of it because it's too long. This is what the end product looks like. So the idea is to weld this to this end, this one to this end, and this should be free enough to spin without obstruction, and this one to this end. However, I need to cut this. So what I'm going to do next is to cut this metal pipe shorter and weld the other piece of rebar which I bent to the bolt. And voila! Now it's time to weld. So this is it. This is how you make a swivel. So this is the end product. One rope can pass through this end and another through this end. So I'll be using this to secure my pig. And that's it. This is how you make a swivel from a bolt, piece of metal pipe, and a rebar. Thanks for watching.